Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing these foil craft. It comes in 6 picture canvases right here. So the first one is space, and then you have a city atmosphere, the desert, the forest, a volcano, and a farm. This is amazing for kids, and it comes with 60 colorful sheet coils that you attach onto these stickers. So let me just show you right now. I'm going to be using the space real fast. So I'll find whatever I want. I'll just find the space and I'll look. So if I show you, when you take this white piece off, or right here, and you grab foil and you just right here, look at that. And now we're just going to be removing this completely.
Whoa!
You see that, Mark? It also leaves something cool behind, like you could see the character.
Yeah, it's really cool actually.
Use it for hands here.
Oh, wow.
Just gonna take it out now.
It's
a little difficult.
Look
There
at
we
that. It's really cool. We're gonna put on the desert now.
Oh, that's really nice. I'm gonna stick it though right here so that he's like jumping. Then I'm gonna find a rocket, so let's just... Okay. It is so sticky, so it'll never fall off.
I know.
So these are the last ones we'll be doing. The star and the astronaut.
My last one is Triceratops.
The astronaut. It is so satisfying to peel the white right off.
Mm-hmm.
Here it is. These are awesome, and I recommend you get your kids some. I hope you like my little video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.